Andrew Plays is back with
Gavin Plays, and today we are doing this smoothie challenge. So here you can't see, but there's there's 6 of these bags, and then there's this huge black bag with 6 items, 6 bad and 6 good. Yeah, so let's get right into it. So these, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 to 6, we'll do those first, and then reach into there. So you go first, Drew?
yeah, I'll do the honors.
Okay.
This one.
3. So 1, 2. So Lion King was number 3. So let's see.
Can I look at it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm out.
Salsa.
Hey, just what happens if there's chips in here? In one of these bags, y'all would be lucky.
This is just pour some of it in here.
Ugh. I hate some.
You're gonna have a great smoothie.
I know.
Okay, so set that to the side. 1. Let's crumble this up first. So I got 1, which is Brave. Yes! Crackers! I guess that could be pretty good.
So is this one? No. What are all these?
So that's 2.
This is 2?
Yeah.
This is 3?
4.
How about this?
5. 6. Okay. So here you can go ahead and go.
4. So this is...
Yeah. It's an airplane. So
Ha!
Lucky Charms, man.
Put my whole thing in there.
Okay, I got 5 crackers in there. Okay, man. Wait, what did you... Okay, so there's 3 bags left. 5! Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another big one. Okay. Vanilla pudding. Yes. I love this. And thank you, Mom, for putting all this in here.
Is this 1? 2?
Hey, which one's 2? That one. This one?
Cheese! I hate cheese!
Drew is so unhappy right now. No, get in there.
Putting 1 piece in.
Okay. That'll be good. Okay, so that leaves me with 6. It's one of these things, and it is ketchup. No.
Ha, 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 ha.
Ketchup. You got me. Okay, so now there's this bag full. So we'll leave your hand in there. Don't want to touch that. That's actually really good. Okay, so Drew got vanilla cream, right? Oh, whoa, 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 that's...
Is that enough?
Okay, so maybe I'm gonna go with this one. I got vanilla and chocolate pudding.
If I get something bad, I quit.
Ew.
Just come on.
Come on, Captain.
No fair. How do you even open this?
Did you put some in there? You were playing good.
Yeah, I did.
Do you look like that? There we go.
I hate my smell.
Here. Here's the next. Whoops. I don't know. So this is like pepper and onion. Do I have to grab this in there?
Yep.
Oreos! You had Oreos?
I think so.
Okay, now I'm gonna go in. Oh, this is the last item. I do not like blueberries.
I like blueberries.
Here, I'll be nice.
Ah.
Okay.
Fun fact, that
Did you put cheese in there?
yeah. One stick.
There's no cheese in there.
Yeah, there is. I just didn't put a lot. Okay.
Okay. So, what we're gonna do is all the back and we're gonna grab some milk. Piece of drugs. Oreos, cheese, Lucky Charms, some blueberries, vanilla creamer, and we'll put just
Put a lot. No, more.
Okay.
More.
No more. So now if we get the lid on make sure to comment, like, subscribe. No, Drew, no. Put the lid on. Mine just smells disgusting. Yeah. This is the lid on. Oh, the lid doesn't go on. Okay. Put this on. One more in.
Chocolate shake.
The smell is disgusting. It literally smells like throw up.
After this, it's gonna be filled up. No, I'm not tasting this. I'm getting a small, tiny cup.
Here's a whip.
This is so better.
No!
Yeah, I'm gonna get you one.
This one. I think it's on already. Okay. Well, here's some Ronnie. Ronnie!
Now for the taste test.
Oh, great. Here, unplug this big bad boy.
I think I tasted enough. I smelled it. Please help me.
Okay. Okay. Let's try this. Oh man. It smells disgusting.
Why? Till the very end for my barf.
This is
Ah!
there's nothing. It's all like thick.
I'm gonna lick it. There.
Oh my, this stuff tastes terrible. Disgusting. It's all like thick and I don't like it. Right, Drew, it's disgusting. So yeah. We need subscribers for that. So, and like, and yeah, so we'll see you in the next video.